Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website. And today I will be sharing with you this faucet website part 2 faucet pay crash. I will be sharing with you the part 2 4-hour working, more than 4-hour working with this particular crash. You didn't accept this website pay you or not, but I share with you this 4 or maybe 4 to 6 hour crash using the method without with risk management. Okay, and right now I'll be share with you one new website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you a lot of cryptocurrency. This much days this website available, and this much UC pay to this much users. Okay, this is a new website for right now. 2 months ago this website ran, and this is the cryptocurrency this website support. And you can see a lot of people making money from this website. First of all, just click register. You can make an account. Just put your email address, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account and solve the capture. Just click register. And I have already account. Just I click login to show you how you can start earning from this website, and this website link available in description. And I log in my account, and this is the all interface of this website. And the first way you can easily make money from this website is the PTC hats. You can watch the PTC hats. You can make much more tokens from here. This much tokens, this will be paid to watching 3 advertisement in here. You can click any one of the advertisement. You can easily make money. The next way earning is the short links. You can visit the short links. You can earn much more tokens from here too, and you can easily collect your free tokens. The next way is a faucet. You can claim your faucet every 6 minutes. This much tokens is too easy. First of all, solve the AND capture. After AND capture, just solve the edge capture. There's a motorbike. Just click the all motorbike and just click verify and just collect your reward. Okay, this website pay you instantly to your balance. The next way is offer wars. After you reaching the level 1, you can easily complete the offers. The next way is a task. You can complete the task. This is the all available task you can complete, and you can earn your coin. The next way earning from here is the game. You can play the game and you can easily make an account here, like you play these, but I didn't recommend you to play. But if you want to play your with your own risk. And just I share with you the withdrawal proof. How much is the minimum withdrawal from this website? Hey, the minimum withdrawal of 5,000 tokens is the minimum withdrawal. This website pay you instantly to your faucet pay, and this much cryptocurrency this website support. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.